Process-engineered water equipment is in the business of making water clean, usable, and available again. To this end, PEWE produces systems for both the many industrial and municipal markets. Our quality equipment speeds water reuse through the liquid-solid separation process by removing impurities efficiently. And by helping the process, PEWE is helping the world. Clients seeking water solutions find process-engineered water equipment through our representative network, engineering firms, and marketing efforts. PEWE outreach efforts also include professional video presentations, scientific conferences, and published papers. Notable PEWE article links can be found on our website as well as by internet search for PEWE presentation.